Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 3D CAD Modeling. Today we are starting a new series in which we will design a two-cylinder engine, and this is just the first video. In this video we will design the piston. First we will create a sketch and draw an infinity line, and then we will start making the piston sketch. I draw a piston like sketch, and here it is. Now the sketch is complete, but it is completely underdefined. Next, we select all the points and make them vertical so that all the lines connect properly. Then we start adding dimension. The complete dimension is 70 mm, and the second dimension is 65 mm. The radius is 70 mm. Now we grab this line and set it. The inner dimension is 58 diameter. And the detail B size scale is 2.5 length and 2.5 width, and then we set the dimension is 2.5 and also 2.5 and also 2.5. After that its inner diameter is 3.5. First 2.5 and second 3.5, then 2.5 and then 3.5. And fourth is 3.5, and the last one is also 2.5. At this point our sketch is still underdefined, so let's check it. Now we set the last line dimension to 5 mm, and our sketch is fully defined. And after that we apply the revolve command, set it to 360 degree and click OK, and look that our model is 50% complete. After that we select the front plane and draw the bottom cut of the piston. First we apply the convert entities command and convert the bottom line. Then we create a sketch and draw a center line. Next we trim the extra entities and remove the unnecessary lines. Before adding dimension, we select these three entities and apply the symmetry relation so the sketch can be dimensioned properly like this. Now we apply the dimensions. The bottom line dimension is 30 mm, top line dimension is 20 mm, and the width is 10 mm. After this, our sketch is completely defined. After that, we apply the cut execute feature. In direction, choose through all for both sides, then click OK. With this, our bottom cut has been executed successfully. Next, we apply a fillet. In the fillet settings, we set the radius to 5 mm. We click on one edge, then select the first option so all related edges are selected automatically. Click OK, and the fillet is applied successfully. Now we are going to create the circular cut. First select the right plane, then select the circle command and draw a circle with the dimension of 15 mm. Next, set the dimension between the circle and the bottom line. This distance is 15 mm. Now select the origin point and the center point of the circle and make them vertical. After that we execute the circle. Select the execute command and in direction 1 choose up to the surface. In direction 2, also select extrude the surface. Now select the surface of the model for direction 1 and select the surface of the model for direction 2. Click OK. The circular cut is executed successfully. Now we are going to create another circular cut. First, select the right plane and apply the sketch command. The circle will have a diameter of 18 mm. We switch the model to sketch view so we can easily find the center point of the circle. Then we draw the circle with an 18 mm. Now we return the model to the normal view. Go to features and select the extrude cut command. In this command we select the surface plane of the model, then select the model. We set the depth to 2.5 mm. With that, the circular cut on one side has been executed successfully. After that, we select the mirror command. For the mirror face plane, we select the right plane. Then in feature to mirror, we choose the cut that we want to mirror. With this, the cut has been mirrored successfully on the other side. Now again, we select the right plane and then select the circle command. After that, we bring our model into sketch view and draw the circle. We give it a diameter of 10 mm and click OK. Then we return the model to the normal view, go to extrude cut and select through all for both sides. Click OK. And the circular cut is executed properly. Now we select the dome command and apply a 5 mm dome. With that, the dome is applied successfully. Next, we go to material, then metal, and select polish steel. The material is applied successfully. And with this, our piston model is completely finished. Now we save the model. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you understood my tutorial well. If you did not or have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.